Bwega sana kaire muridhire wa Meru TV na tukwina kwa twicho kagira nyuma ya kumana arantere cha Southiment kuraitha bora siaza chedere twikara kari utela Southiment na tukirida mantu makona mwelekeo mugongo twina kwa twicho kagira ntugochia Alhamisi tuwa tukitha maga mantu masheria na kweli ya kinyegi terende na ara tuya nambere kwigwa tugitwika twinde wana sheria twina mwanasheria wetu munene tungeni wakili Fides, karibu sana wakili.
Asante sana.
Wewe kairino tuko nambere kwigwa tukirikana garukirwe mundi kira mubango wetu.
Thank you very much. Asante sasa kunkaribisha guko ringi na ringi.
Thank you. Keli muretheria wa Meru TV kengo tuwe tukiambagiria bwega mubango wetu.
Mugeni anto beto ba Meru betawa Fides Mwendo wa Kaunyangi, wakili aja Meru ndina ofisi I think twice building kire bara bate kumenya Meru bwega kana bara baterega gukinya Meru think twice ere side ya Equity na Bwanyuma street weta kumera Ken Silver.
Yes.
Wakinya ukona think twice building ukaitia second floor ugatirima law firm gwetwa F Kaunyangi and company advocates ugatotirima area. Number 2 twina ofisi inge area Kirindine directly opposite gate ya court. Inyaku ugatirima F Kaunyangi and company advocates utatupata pale tutakuhudumia.
Alright, bwega sana, thank you very much muretheria na ngwitigia tukirikarikire tu kawethire wakili atunenkira namba ya kengo aromba kwigwa kenda kwarandia noe na gushugurikirwo na njira ya mwanya bakainambe kwigwa kana bukainambe kwigwa watanagira na kwaranira tuthiwe tukeragiri mantu makonenie na minda kana masheria cha minda na kwigwa ukihun intobiaku na tikumenya tukiambagiye kwina mantu twatigire mantu ma barabara tugira chi kurukira mindani ya antu nambi tikumenya kethirwa katiba ya Kenya yena sheria yethiritwe igikira gutigira ati maybe antu bara mende gukurukira njirani ciago bara cibitari wa kumindani yago bara maybe madini makwina mbere kwigwa makionekana mindani yago iba kwina mbere kwa baiti tabwe na antikumenya hata sheria yethiritwe kigere ku balance kana kutigira ati ni kuganania muntu uyu atikaina mbere kwigwa kinyagirwa ni thirikari
kiwi kiurege kiega muno. Number 1 kwa sheria ya itawa compulsory acquisition kana eminent domain. Eu ikumanisha thirikari no yakwaye gintu gyaku private mundajwa ku private.
Yes.
Lakini uteruma gutunywa ikwetha kwina into bira bategaira. Number 1 katiba article 40 nego protects right to property. Na ukeja kwethura wina gintu gyaku iki utibati gutunywa just like that. Right to property right is constitutionally protected.
Yes.
Na nde ora thirikari ethithirie na sheria iria turi nacio gintu kiu kigwitwa compulsory acquisition te just anybody umba kweja akathithia. Kwina National Land Commission kinyayo is established under the constitution na ni mandated one of the mandates cha National Land Commission iko oversee compulsory acquisition of land on behalf of both the national government na county government.
Yes.
Na ndete nya remwe ito agatirima mtu jantu kwingi ndari ngarine kwe mundajori ari Nchiru chonge jo karija kajore adjacent to the university. Apparently kumalamine gwitio na utubarine tonge wonani kama shamba ya mtu mmoja.
Ndegiro something.
Ndegwa gintu jakeu and the sentiments irandegirwe antu barabaragia bena cio. Boragia mtojo nonto ate kuthi ate otewa thithagia jare ate tunywe munda jojo. Joka nenkero baraba komba gwitira ngugi kana joka kana university kajokia. So you see sometimes mbuga mbere kidogo mbuga mtu arenge kwenda gutunya gintu gyakuja kio because that is very prime property. Na mtu arenge kwenda gutunya gintu gyakuja kio arenge gutumira ka excuse to very flimsy akeja gutunya gintu gyaku. Lakini the National Land Commission nyo yejaga very mandated bagatega. Number 1 otiruma kujukia jabau na ndiba uga mwene juu na tunyo junenkere baraba kumba kurima kana baraba kumba ku develop kenda mbuga value ya area itaitia or something like that otemenya gutunya mtu gintu kiawe just like that. Kwanza jeu cha compulsory acquisition nobody could demonstrate public interest. kana it is in public interest kujukia gintu kiria in public interest na te ijo nto waria ukauga railway rathithagwa SGR antu bara bari na miunda SGR gitaire baire compensated again public interest you can show kwena public interest ya kwetha tuna SGR gitiraja tuge barabara ati kuthithwa kana expansion ya barabara tuge kuiguntu gutwire gutina sibitari na mbuga aria mundajwa kujore central for whatever reason bathithitie analysis bakona uni sibitari kubwira kana skuru kana manto jange kana otrimo na migodi mundene jwaku bateruma ako jokia no mwanka bago compensate number 1 it must be fair compensation baja wa prevailing market value ya intobiria depending na circumstances kwethra na ni area National Land Commission ni kuongere oja 15% ya mbechi area prevailing national value prevailing commercial value aginto kira yaku bakeriba kuongereo 15% ya disturbance ukeja kwethirwa no twere wakete au you will need to relocate kana biashara yakwere au no need to relocate again ke compensation irio kaewa ibabati reasonable amounts kana reasonable provisions cha relocation iria on top of kugura mndajo waku bagiko compensate kaire ibategaga things like our future loss of future earnings tuge mndajora jwa kwa ujurare inirare commercially viable kiogwe inawe mbuga no tonyithagia mbecha tuge maybe 100,000 per month ibapati kwethwa bageputa that into account na bateruma kuthithia mantu jaguo ba establishaga if they come they establish kwena need ya eminent domain on to kwenda gwaka kintu kina they publish on the Kenya Gazette ika publish wa Kenya Gazette na inyake local land registry janao kuga publish they make sure antu baraba ka affected in that acquisition ba kumenya no bwete nyabukaria nabo so pobabera tumeona hapa ni vizuri ipitia hapa babu abera hapana mbuga for whatever reason mbuga that is sacred ground mbuga kile antu benu kana no withre mbuga kure antu benu bothikete aria kwena sentimental value for whatever reason bokona bantu nyabu jatebwera you are ibabati kubwa chance gwita ku air that those views na bukaja kwetha bote ganwa still when an opportunity await court
alright
that is a process yonte a protected na sheria and is very strict
alright bwega tana kuangalia kano kwena na daraka wantu wetawa kibuka kwena damu ya banga yorowa kwana une thirikari na antu batwika bakuwatana boga bo batikuria that damu ntu batwika gantu kabakathamwa na abatuire baithiguntu kunge ba compensate muntu neragirwe ena guge muntu nonge nyundi kwenda kuthamu tende we yento kwenda kujira ndi kwenda kuthamu na maybe wa kotini sheria igagufeva
again it dependaga na process ira NLC bamberere onto bakeja kwitha remo ibutega court sometimes nitegaga mantu ja due process na legitimate expectation so due process ijonto National Land Commission batemenya kuruma kweja mndenejo waku bajokia munda batethithete gazettement batebwetete bugita buria bathikira maoni janto barabara affected batethithe so if they do those things na batebwetete bateburitie maoni you can go to court again you can also go to court kedha go feel compensation area is not enough kana ite kugita buria you cannot fight eminent domain per se non to is expected non again dakwera pentukira akiba batiko establish medhia for public interest if they can establish legitimate public interest na bakona ni babuikirie nyomeria na wamewa compensate vizuri like fairly ile nyomeria nya everybody ategana kuona mantojera bathithitie sometimes if you go to court you can lose non to utemenya kuganjera igakwa sibitanga kwa just because you live there if ora sheria yugite ibakenya kwa bathingatete everything sometimes wamba kugitabura wamba kurema kugiko kurigeria mantu jaria but baketha bathithete to shortcut mbecha bati kwenda kuria injega uria kubati na bati go put into account man tutajau ndakwira future loss of future earnings, relocation man tutajau. Now you can go to court, then you have a legitimate claim.
All right, wewe sana ikudire tokeo na antu bakuye na title chingi twaragiria the other day okethira we mundani wakura kini kwina muntu ungi aya na title yengi yake uteye na yumite bamwe atwira Kenya mtu nawe na title nyete na munda akuwa munda ikuri sheria yethiritwo gikaria antu ata muno kumane na akora tababe yethiritwo akina mbere kwigwa bakiyagira antu minda na njira tena. So
mbere ikwari na doctrine yetawa innocent purchaser for value, which means weja uwe tuge unyango kwendia munda na ngukunenkera title ukuthithia search wetara kwa land ukuthithia search na title ukona eka ningani oria title ikuga ukona rietwa riria una orio rinara na iria akwa no kumenya iria akwa na take on busy beyond atukuguranira munda kitambo nomere we wetwa innocent purchaser for value nego protectaga kanini nkeja kwetha munda jo wonia ndaiyete ndeja ndakwenderia mwene ora ndaiyerete andingata so ndakwenderia kenda defeat claim irewe kitambo ugo gura nontu utijambiyete munda nontu ugo thithiria ka search gaku na registry neko ni everything is in order kitambo no eja protected lakini recently the Supreme Court kwe judgment eritete mbuga I think kijireka na ithatu na barauga doctrine ya innocent purchaser for value ina limitations utemenya gweta uga unya ndagurire ntaije so bakauga your title is only as good as its roots. So you toruma kunenkerwa title na inderaga antu ntukwinge nkabera ukigura munda please engage an advocate. Nontu akamenya na itwethera twijima ntutajau so na nenya ukagura munda na mapoi kana wenderwa munda na mapoi process area ukiara ya uma ukauga kuko thithia due diligence kubwega na ura kubati maybe give it like between 6 and 9 months.
6 and 9 months.
Kenda establish nyatu yeginto ja due diligence pwega nonto nande implications cha decisions cha court of appeal cha Supreme Court ni kumaanisha owara ndenga kwenderia title ngakwenderia munda jo na title ndaiyete and you had no idea ndaiyete ora ndaiyerete no eje na gutunya na you no teach idare ke at innocent purchaser for value not to the Supreme Court and you know and that is the final court na decisions the Supreme Court binding on all other courts so temenya which either and the innocent purchaser for value indefinitely. What that calls you to do as Mogorio Munda is be intentional. Do due diligence pwega na nonto antu baraba inge batiomba na batijinya what to look out for bakiri ya due diligence enda itafuta wakili. I am sure that 20, 30, 40,000 ukarea wakili kukuthithiria ngugiria is much better than kuria gintukia milioni jire ngiri magana whatever milioni thano whatever 5 years 10 years down the line we jo tunyo. So the issue you need to do more due diligence. Supreme Court ya ugere gote gweta wichi da uga oni angorite tu oni na ndentije mantu ja uja kuma na nyuma.
All right. Tulichoka nyuma kidogo kwina chamba nkona kiulia raka uliri agutu kwaragire mantu makoneni na kuthamu. Muntu atibatiria ya tha erwo endi umagaruka guthi atapetwe mukana kwina maybe kagita muntu anenkagirwa kwerwa gakwebanga banga nikewita kuthama na binambi aiwa kimana kiura gikairiri I process ikari atebati gutumiro kengo etweka illegal kana adore the legal process ya kuthami muntu ni eriko
kwati yo ndabwira first thing National Land Commission will establish araba kupa kwenda kuthithia compulsory acquisition bami establish they publish that in the Kenya Gazette. Bami publish ke Kenya Gazette baka make sure bako nyomera Kenya Gazette notice egweta na kwa registry local registry. So for example nkaeja na example na gwetu nonto inombiji registry ya gwetu yororo so for example kadri ni ndaja tuge kianja eme athene kwina mora bakwenda gwa kwaya so baka make sure ba establish nyomere au register ke registry ya oro na they make sure antu baraba de nyomere aba gukinyiro inteto ira they let you know man tutajaje ijejete babu engage stakeholder engagement kana antu barunde baraba na interest na mdajo kana in that property kana in that area onto remo ibwera kwa sibitari nejete and then anto bakauria what will be the impact kila antu baraba tiki inya mdajo ajo kware impact kila antu baraba around itakuaje kana inya baraba ngo minda yawe jukwa ina bageta so when they do that mki engage na bo kumbarande kwaria na babu compensate of course they have to give you a duration of time kenda webera mndaya teruma kweja akukondoria lakini kinya ugo kwa duration of time ukaewa na everything ni vingatina everything is legal no kurega kwebera area what do you expect will happen
okaruto okay iwe sana Kenya ni dheneto ina history ya mantumando na land dispute na wakagita kara ya Kenya kuma kagita kara kama moto idakano bikororo kagita koloni idakano bikororo ndiko menya ontubogo dheneto gushepo ata sheria chetu cha ndegoro yetu ya Kenya utuika ikwagira at least kuona gutiena ndo ine kwa nambere kugikuyagiro sana kwena sheria chekeri specifically nonto bwa nyamere atayo so ugatirima chadhaiji I know for sure otomba inyamto emndene jwaku ndio established mdajwa kuna no kwenda kumu evict oteruma gweta omo bulldozer murita no bati omo at least 90 days notice in that 90 days notice akenda gweta court no ete akagitaburia you can so sheria ina protect mtu in like that in that way number 2 kore antubara by the rabena tugeja pastoralist Masai think antoja Masai Samburu Turkana bau barethagiana bate oteta wethra mtu akwira joy munda jwa kumeka land so by the rabena community land so badithire community land act ya ku protect interest chanto jabaria nenya the land act nya sheria chetu cha land ora chikari kuma land adjudication act kuma nyomere uchonde chita chike karagia interest chanto mankoka kinya land act tanjure kari na shed na constitution nenya yone ko gitaburia amantu tajau so ine inkarange kwera maitaja maingi muno dena ya Kenya te kweza tote sheria dena ya tote ti hatuna sheria ati buru te sheria ku government tajau dena ya to mostly you find kotena fidelity to sheria ile anto bate kwenda kwithinga tabora ntumbugo thinga ta sheria ore kuga ekagwata mwe kuroku kana ekugwate kana alright wega kwina ntubara bathia nambe kwa bakiruta kwa mindani yao kana ukewa kwena jese mtu akathamu na ndo ba family nambi ntiko menya watho bugitira kana kwena sheria cha kutia ati justice kuonekana kirendo tabarana babatiri kuthinga ta process ile ku kengo kuona kioto kyao
ntira ile
kwina ndubara maybe bathia nambe kwa bakithama ukethira gukwiwa kwina those dispute ukethira mtu akuthamu ara kuri maybe akewa kenga tu kirakani yake
ithirikari kana ni
nandu tu individual maybe bamuji mtu akenga tu kirakani yake abatiri kuthingatiri atakuona haki yake
dependaga again kisheria ikwethera kwina especially under the Land Adjudication Act ikwethera kwina na ndeka depend area eu kethira title ichumite kana kethira title itiruma bare in the process ya kuthithia manager kenda ba process title onto process ni mwanya akeja kwithira area batira process title kwina wika ya disputes ke committee cha area cha kwenu bugeto abo na ntubara bokagamba na mtu akareta mashahidi bawe na wewe te satisfied you can kwena process ya appeal makoga kita appeal to the minister na nyaye wewe te satisfied now you can go to court mtu naeja wa kwena avenues nyingi so kaja kwethura area we tena titles kwambira yanara disputes uchambira yanara committee stage bugeta nachio ugeta wakinya kethira i appeal to the minister ukona decision yo mbugeta kugweria batakuthikirire kwari, so now you can go to court now.
Okay.
Alafu baada na title of course now you just go directly to court.
Wena title kwa uka direct to court.
Directly to
lakini utene okango thinga
kwena nira bathinga ekali ndi kwena chitawa adjudication sections title iteruma kweja no ni eje ekauga tuge just studio eje bakauga eje bakume declare adjudication section so kethira ni au karinde ukauga au ni gwaku aja karinde aja igwakwa so bakeja nanto baga establish mianka na ugwana ndio wethirwa au ukakwata ukauga kithaka kiu yaku gwete okaewa namba tuge nande au ogwa ukethirwa au mbuga au jojo kuna hete na kae sijui jojo ngania from wherever so mtara akaja nande kuja kuga mdajo au ore te gwaku kabo aei everenie so you see dispute we kiamberia bukamberia na committee stage you proceed kwa kabo kinyomeria lakini kija kwethirwa imdajo na already established nyomeria established adjudication section na titles ichumite once you just take your title na nyomeria chiaku unaenda kotini.
All right bwega kwina yamwe wetwa haldi sasa inaitwa haldi sasa kaire
ardhi sasa
haldi sasa ndikomenya kego kwina sheria chembe kana kwina system yembe ya kuregister minda kana nata kana mbio yano wetwa haldi sasa
in my understanding ardhi sasa mbere ma wetaja na lands national na Nairobi ogatinima it was so corrupt na baugerea bakwenda ku digitize nyomere yu in a way that bakomba ku get rid of nyomere tayu onto iro weta ogatirima mdajo mojo na title nye 10 and every mdajo mwe yanto mwanya so non to ba manto tajarea bakwenda kugetaburia again ore registries iria nyingi very riddled with corruption ardhi sasa ya njira ya ku eliminate the middleman bauba ko media kureta manto ja corruption don't ku services imo eja wanara na uriaga directly kirithirikari kento tugeja stamp duty kento tugeja transfer fees kento tugeja ku book board and you uriaga directly kirithirikari you nande I think is a way to boost revenue na also I think is also continuation ya process ya ku purge registries of those bad characters.
All right bwega sana yotia mulibiri wa Meru TV emundi sheria ekudonga dongirama kwina mantuma ontwire monito ngoti twarete muno mantuma sheria chia tene bibi bwa karakari tene menda etari na mumuli uri ya ukabona nambi lakini tulioria turire na hata kukarikara gitakara menda era yatiganirwe sheria gukwethera kwena mendera yatiganirwe no kethera mendera no bado yena ndoa mendera ya utiganirwo bado yena ndoa na yatuika mendeno ndoa ino tichie munde kachi tigiganagirwo especially maybe tera watwiraga antu bara bakuyibo bakaya bandere kugamba kana maybe bara bagambaga wona bakwigamba rikathira
idipendaga nande na bara batigi nonto mtu akujaga umu substitutaga so kethira mukuru mbuga buka substitute na mwakurowe kana na muthakowe kana mwariowe na keja kwithwa atina mtu jabau bawe kwamba kwariria mantu tajau no kuthithia ka succession kanini tu uketha wina legal representative aka represent mtu uri abukendelea na kesi
kuruda wa replacement
yes substitution
na wewe maybe atina knowledge inga no ya kumenya what was happening na atakukarika
what you do ideally you're supposed to have an advocate lakini ukaja kweza tena wakili for one reason or the other na wamekusubstitute ugeta na court kana nyaja baweta ukera court no kuromba proceedings itaipwe kenda uthoma welewa na uria kuretaga na ria yakinya no witenya court chana you pay a small fee ukaperuse file ukona maratasi haja file ku ura court yaugaga mantu tajau you can always bring yourself tested na no urombenya court kanya amira mantu tajau tutore bije ko substitute wa iba kwa kanya kedri proceedings itaipwe kedri mbele kakana bura wengwa
okay i sheria kuna chetawa stationary I don't know succession laws.
Oh, succession.
Kuna statutory, I don't know.
Statutory.
Statutory. Yeah, exactly. That's the one which were. Ni kuna chetawa statutory succession law.
Mbere. Statute is an act of parliament.
Okay.
So statutory is anything a passed to any act of parliament. Okay. So all our laws except for the constitution, for the most part is statutes.
Okay.
Raiji ya Kenya iria in operation etawa Law of Succession Act ya kurukirwe 1981 if I'm not wrong. Nyo iri ni monkana arua no yanto batumaira lakini also it depends na nyomeria rĩrĩa mtu akwire na faith mtu nontu ketha mtu akwire before 1981 kwina sheria cia mwanya iria citumairwa kana ketha akwire before the enactment ya Law of Succession Act kwe sheria iria ciatumairwa igita riu no cigatumirika kethira mtu Muislamu bakathingata Islamic nyomera bageta tuge kathi bateja naja under Law of Succession Act. I think the same applies for Hindus, I'm not so sure. Lakini ni whether ukari but everybody else are under the Law of Succession Act.
All right. Kwethira to kwena ithaka bia tuge na tauni okethira no kwenda uchoa kamunda tauni na ikamunda gakurira maybe
leasehold.
Yes, inu wito mtu athingata process ile kugutira at least atira korwan kana atira ijiro na sheria kuthingatira bwega utira ati na kurea bwega bwa kubatirina na kuwata kithake kubwega.
Mbere ma ubati kumenya most leaseholds in fact after constitution ije to me promulgate 2010 chaere kwecho charianga 99 years angambi chonde chachokerwe to 99 years.
Okay.
So uwe ukiguraga ka plot town no bati gotega duration ere tigikire lease area.
Okay.
Anto ugeta mtu akwire ngo kwendelea plot town na leasehold ya 99 years lakini 90 years are already done.
Okay.
Lease weti gere miaka kiendaki.
Okay.
So you need to ideally kwanza inyaja banks I know for sure but tonga anything itigerie anything less than 25 years
batiringiranye
utemenye oba nenkerere nyomeria unless if individual banks may change ni zao so ugo kigura no bati go consider things like imiaka ngane tigere kire lease ugateka kaire mtojo gukwenderia kethia na twire kuria rates na rent nyaira kwetha kwena ni jeri rates na rent ugateka kethia na twire kuria intobire onto akeja kwetha twire kuria na ume transferiwa kwa hiyo gatirimo
kinyawa ya kwegwa milioni iratigere na nyuma atiaririte kwangereka.
Yes yo go gatirimo ari wetwere umbuga ubona ndi wete okamwetie which is a whole if orenge kuthothithetie due diligence yaku orenge kwa avoid kwa mwira na rembeche umbere ya transfer so like I was saying due diligence is everything na jayu cha plot cha town tega itigeria miaka ngana number 2 tega kethra na rates na rent na inyaka iri no ugaita gutega nyomeria the other one. Those are the most important ones. Now, of course, ugatega mbecha, ugatega ro kwenderia kithia no wemwe no wandiki na area. So, one gukarawa. Most leases bugatiki expire that you can if you want things to go smoothly for you. Ugatera lease ya expire next year. Kithia expire next year, wambiria go apply this year ko renew lease yaku. You can try maybe 5 years in advance. So yongu kwira sometimes tegaga miaka ingana etigere aria kugura onto weje town aria wenderwe plot tuge 100 million etigerie 9 years na wewe ujui after like after 5 iketho tigeria 5 years lease kwithira you need to apply for renewal of lease not to lease kachi renewagwa so uwe ko renew lease yaku mtonge by the during kuna watu especially in Nairobi nguge yao specifically ni kukaa pale ku monitor leaseholds ira chetete ku expire ni nguge yawe ku monitor leaseholds ira chetete ku expire kenda ba apply na deba ewa unaelewa so wewe kama uko pale
sorry
so wewe kama uko pale shamba ni lako under leasehold lakini utira renew mtongea ku notice ketete kuthira apply kenyo merere ku akakuwa considered ilo sometimes you find yes anga sijui muindi aengwa kwawe anga sijui developer tonya tagitabura sometimes otrima mtore ataije na abati ko renew lease mbuga 5 years before ivira somebody else went and did that before them arabagitabura ika dispute nande
alright wega no to kinko na that cheto no kuthira kwina ndu beta wa squatters ntikumenya kana sheria ni thiritwe ikibetigiria right ya kwigobena minda yona maybe ria ba watu ithina tino cheminda bathikagirwa ata na kotini.
Okay. So kuna sheria inge etawa compulsory acquisition. My God, mbona nasema. Ile wakaramu ndinejo mtu 12 years. Na atakuinga you can go to court na court ya kunenkira mndajore ka ugejo wako.
Watu kanwa ku 12 years. Okay.
If you and the most squatters I think that is what they do. Although the Naya squatters is a historical problem. Not rimantu baba aba displaced either from siku za mkoloni.
Yeah.
So na the new mostly there in Arab coast I think. They were displaced during colonial times. Mkoloni agweta antwa togotigwa na batu na wichi ya dibweto antwa anene baraba atigero batonyara ba gitabara banenkana baba myenda kaba chokia neta bari igwatira myenda ira yao bakuigwatira ira personal property.
Yes.
Anto bara ku lakini title ni mtungo gwete title na ibatu ire area. So you find nonto ba historical ni utena ni nyinge monochi cha ku address historical injustices na manto ja squatters. So mostly thirikari no batiko deal nabo. We think not to get some public land. Thirikari no ba allocate munda. But nande in most cases utirimaga tuke wasquatter ni mtaita ameishi taita, that is all they know. Thirikari mbuga yepo iraba na mbuga. You see, it becomes a problem.
Yes.
Lakini nyomere ankurirwa ita aki I know it. Ya 12 years mdeneja mtu na atakuinga na atagitabura ita adverse possession. So most squatters are bomba which either came and tutaja adverse possession.
Okay. All right. Bwega ntikomenya kana kunya kukumana na change ya kwa rera climate change kuongereka kwa mataoni na kinya kuthonde kwa barabara gontu mwanya mwe ntikomenya kana mantu mamo ndi mendere to change again to kire sheria chamenda.
Not really. Onto sheria huwa ila
sheria
kama wanajenga kedra you whatever development for public good eminent domain kuna sheria chiko gitabura mantu jauje eminent domain ara sheria chomba ko change if for example acha kutuere kweka karuro setting imekuja mmeleta hospitali mmeleta schools boko akirwa barabara anto bakweja doko ikuthithwa ekwa town. So designation ya nira yomba guchenjia. So in that miunda ya rural kana agricultural, sometimes ni thero area under control ya land control board. Land control board ibo bara ba control aga fragmentation ya miunda. Ibo bara ba control aga go transfer into jabira under agricultural land. So for example, tugenande aja kwa imekuwa municipality kana urban area.
Yes.
Miunda the surrounding ni ika have korea into rates direct. Lakini inyaku they have to change that law kenda bamirita from freehold to leasehold. So the only way in which yomba go change ichoma from freehold to leasehold. The other thing ire yomba go affect is transfer fees. Nduko ire go transfer. For example, I know for sure. Ukagura munda kithoka. Transfer fees kana stamp duty iria uwa muguri ureaga 4% ya total mbuga mbecha iria bwendanitie kana value iria thirikari value of thirikari akuga niyo value ya area iria whichever is higher. You pay 4%. Na 4% area were just in places around urban areas. So ukeja kwithura ugurite eka ya munda kithoka. Na mtu ungi agurite eka ya munda se tugenya ja ncheru. Kana miathene na aya kana uru. Ule mwenye kwa ndani stamp duty akara just 2%, uko karea 4%. So ugatara urbanization in a way ni change ya ni impactaga nyomeria. Ni impactaga land use in terms of mbechirio karea cha transfer fees. Number 2, no whether abuna nya to get town. And as they are doing their urban planning, nigagwa kwa town sida wigagwa in industrial area. So bakeja kuga na uja na kwenu na ndani industrial area na wamepitia hapo kwenu. So umeona sasa kama ulikuwa umeweka hapo residential uka have kwa area non tutimenya kuweka residential na industrial area in the same land use area. So wo kari area you maybe baka have gukurita. And they follow the same numeric area to compulsory acquisition.
All right. Mwega sana wakili. Thank you very much. Muredere wa Meru TV kinyago natuko kwa nambari kwa wiki nini ya TV yaku ku mareto nambari kwa tukiambagiria mwanka kagitania kamibi tukirikire migambo ya mwisho wakili na wetu erekeria kairi na ara mtu ambao kuruta obichi yakuna ariri na kiwa kwena namba hireo yomba mtu ambao ukinyira otunenkere era mtu ambao kwaranya na
ukeja kwithirwa kibantu jau jonde touga kwi mantu kuigwa jagu gutonga kana uri affected in one or the other tukinyire area think twice building Meru Town think twice building second floor bajoga trima F Kamyangi Company Advocates kiri bara bate kumenya think twice ere street ya Equity ya nyuma na nyuma era itakumira ndera Baken Silver opposite nyombe wetu ere uchumi hapo ngatu trimau. Number 2 no weje wedra we mukari ontere ya chibumira tigania no tutrime au kirindene directly opposite gate ya court watrima F Kamyangi Company Advocates tuko pale no ringe dhimo 0729 049 262 again 0729 049 262. Unaweza piga hiyo simu, you can send a message, you can send a WhatsApp na kile barabara Facebook unaweza tupata page yetu F Kamyangi Advocates.
All right. Bwega sana wakili. Thank you very much for coming. Na bwega no ntu wa urutariria mantu makonenie na minda mantu mashirino cha minda mantu nkomanya eno yethiritwe emwe yathinini na sana yethiritwe kurumagira ntu betu muno mantu mama minda ketha mu makuthamu nambi na pamwe na conflict na chore bao kana turi wo na umindani kwa wingwete ya njirembe na umwithiria o na thina teino uri ngenda kwigukio na gotethio kwaraniria na wakili na kaina mbere kwigwa yo tethagia nuntu wakili atungatete kesi teino mbingi sana na baingi baina mbere kwigwa itetheka kukinya umwithiria thina mbere gatwetwo karania na wakili na ikengo utethiria kuthiria mathina mama withiritwe mai kuwataga maminda na kinya kwathekera maybe ukienda kura munda waku ukienda ku transfer into vya kuna mantu mangi tamara ukana na wakili na akegwa age guteithagia kuma kiritio kirigu utina bonge tu tutio kwendera mtu embera.